Hey guys, just coming back to you with another video about this over flashing we've put on all of our gables. So the other day when I did a video about our insulation and how we insulate all the gables, so all the end walls are all protected and insulated. I was talking about how we run our paper up and we go in underneath this flashing that we've worked with the guys from Aberhart Roofing to come up with us so that they can finish all their roof works when they're on site. We don't have to get our cladding done and then they come back and put all the barge flashings on. So the team's been doing a really good job here and getting all the ProClima building wrap on this project, and I wanted to show you how it gets finished off. So I'll show you down here. So the whole reason for this is so our trades can be more efficient and get finished. So when they did all the roof works here, they've got another flashing that they put in underneath that then this clips onto and folds over. So that means when they put all their barges on, they can finish everything prior to us doing our cladding. And so if you come over here, I got a lot of questions about how we're going to finish that. So why we do this is you'll see here now, so the team, so that flashing comes down the wall here to there. So it's about 150 mil. So you'll see here, we've run our ProClima building wrap up in underneath that overhang. And then we've got the tape. So then we've taped the top of that paper to that ColourBond flashing the whole way down. This distance that we've got here is set up enough that we'll get our 35mm high wood cavity battens on the wall here. And then on this particular wall here, it's got linear weatherboard. And you'll see on the front here, we've still got our nice big 75mm downturn. We've got a drip edge on the bottom. Our cladding, so once we get our cavity batten on, our cladding will still get run up. It'll still get cut on a nice neat rake. But it'll finish in underneath there and we still get that nice neat capped look, but it means our roofers can finish the job. It's beautifully watertight because now with this finish you can see we've got that big barge flashing coming over, we've got the other flashing underneath here, and then everything's mechanically lapped. So yeah, it's a great way to do it. It's taken us a few years and a few jobs to sort of get our head around this, and I think this is definitely the best one that we've come up with. The other beauty of doing it this way is by having this cap on top here, and then especially on this wall here where we've got the cavity batten and then the linear board, all the ventilation that we're going to have on this wall coming up will be able to sort of come up and get out underneath that flashing because we're using weatherboard and it's all cut on the rake. There will be some air gaps along the way there. So it will actually mean that this ventilated cavity here will work really, really well. So look, especially if you're in Brisbane and you want quality roofers that work in with you to come up with solutions like this, make sure you reach out to the guys at Aberhart Roofing. And look, if you're thinking about